Hello guys, I'm back again with another video. This time I'm going to show you an easy way to make a chicken breast. So basically what you need here: chicken breast, mozzarella butter, schnitzel, and chicken spices. You can use any spices you would like, but I prefer those because the mix between them is really good. First of all, we're gonna slice the chicken for pieces. I can do pieces like that is enough, is good, yeah, like that. And when you're chopping it off, you would see chicken fat. You need to get rid of it. We don't want it. The fat is not good for your body, so we remove it. You only want the protein in your muscles. After you are done with your chopping, you have to add the spice you want. Let's add it, yeah, and then we stir it. And then what you have to do, turn on the gas, put on the pan, and the mozzarella in. Don't add too many because it's full of fat, obviously, and that's too much what I put here, but it's okay. Then chicken breast in. Yes. After putting the chicken in the pan, put above it the chicken spice. Yes. And you wait around 10 minutes each side. Then you flip it the other side. I forgot to add salt. The salt is needed. Yeah. As you guys see here, it's ready. I burned it a little bit. It's okay. What we need is to get the protein in, not how the meal is look, how it look, or how it is taste. All we need is to get the protein in your muscle. And there you have it. The chicken breast is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.